Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the exact ingredients in your inventory. This saves trips. Once done, place a cooking station with level 2 or higher. Higher stations improve success rates. Measure 1/2 cup flour and 1/4 cup sugar, then soften 2 tablespoons butter so mixing is smooth. You do this now because prepped ingredients prevent paused animations and lost progress. Make sure to keep one empty slot for the finished Yule log. It stacks differently, so plan ahead. Now you mix dry ingredients, then whisk in the egg and soften butter. This creates the right batter texture. Once combined, transfer to the cooking station and select bake with medium temperature. This balances browning versus burning. Follow interactive prompts. Stir when the meter appears, fold to keep air, and flip only if prompted. These inputs affect final quality because timing controls texture and bonus yield. If you maintain consistent inputs, the Yule log quality increases, yielding better rewards. Finish by cooling the cake roll briefly, then spread glaze and add seasonal berries for the classic Yule log look. You plate it, and either deliver to a villager quest or store in the fridge for later gifting. This gives XP and relationship points. If things go wrong and you burn it, try a quick sugar glaze to improve quality, or simply retry with a slightly lower bake temp and tighter timing on prompts. That small adjustment fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.